Welcome back after a short break. After breakfast, all of us came back. We got ready, changed, and right now we're headed to the Douro River for the river cruise. It'll be a 2-hour river cruise. It's just gonna be the 6 of us. Let's go. So we've reached the docking station. I'm guessing it'll be a medium-sized boat. Given us a meeting point. हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी 2:30 की 2:30 the cruise had to start. It's already 2:30. But since it's a private cruise, so I don't think there'll be any issue.
Pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Abhinav.
You're nice to meet you. Hi. Are you all here, guys?
Yes, 6 of us.
You are a YouTuber?
I'm not a YouTuber, but I do make vlogs. I don't upload them, but I keep them for my memory.
That is
I
nice.
watch them after like 4-5 years.
When we get Alzheimer, like on
Yeah.
90s, will be nice. So look at me, it's me.
Correct, exactly.
Yeah, cool stuff.
So this is gonna be a 2-hour tour, right?
Yeah, it's basically a 2-hour tour around that. To go on the boat, you need to walk all the way through. So that is my dad. He's part of the crew, by the way.
Okay.
He don't speak a lot of English, but
Alright.
well, I do. And yeah, we go all the way. It's a nice looking blue
And
boat
how
again.
how long are we gonna go? How many kilometers are we gonna go?
We go down to the city. It's around 10 kilometers each way. So yeah,
Okay.
we go-
Looking forward to it.
how much until the ocean and we come back and
Okay.
we see the city.
Looking
The
forward
good
to it.
stuff. Yeah, you're gonna like it.
All right.
मेरा ख्वाहिशों का शामियाना ख्वाबों के जहां मेरे से निकला सा मेरा बंदिशों के दायरे से बन के दिल को एक खजाना निकला सा मैं तो खामोश लहरों पे बहती हूँ वो कश्ती जो ढूंढे है धुन मेरी जैसे बारिश की बूंदों में चलती मैं हवा हूँ जो बूंदों से पूछे कि है कहाँ वो जहाजों हर जुबां में हो नाम मेरे हर जुबां में नाम मेरे ये तो दिल की है वजह चाहे जाने क्या भला पर है जाने किन दिशाओं की है हवा मैं तो खामोश लहरों पे बहती हूँ वो कश्ती जो ढूंढे है धुन मेरी जैसे बारिश की बूंदों में चलती मैं हवा हूँ जो बूंदों से पूछेगी है कहाँ वो जहाजों हर जुबां में हो नाम मेरे हर जुबां में नाम मेरे मेरा ख्वाहिशों का शामियाना ख्वाबों के जहां मेरे से निकला सा
So we're more than halfway through. We're enjoying the views, having some nice local port wine, having a cheese platter, and we clicked lots of pictures, made lots of videos, just singing in the views. Beautiful. मजे आ गए? मजे आ गए?
बुखार उतर गया।
बुखार उतर गया? ताजमहल ट्रेड? Okay, so our cruise trip comes to an end. We loved it, we enjoyed it. We crossed 6 bridges. It was such a beautiful experience. मेरे को याद आ रहा था जैसे 2021 में some of you were a part of it. We came to Goa for my birthday and we took a cruise. That was such a beautiful feeling for me. Enjoyed the entire journey. It was for 2 hours. Now we've already docked. So let's go. कैसा लगा?
It was so much fun.
So much fun यार. मैंने expect नहीं किया था इतना बढ़िया होगा.
Was it better than Danube Budapest?
Much better. But maybe शायद मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि आज ही किया हमने ये वाला.
No, Danube was also very nice and we did it in the night, so it was stunning.
Done with our lunch, we came to this place called Asiato Gai. This is in Gaya. This is another city rather than Porto. It's 6 to 7 kilometers away from Porto. But it had like lots of good reviews, so that's why we came here. Head back to our Airbnb and then maybe take a nap and then start the evening. And welcome back. It's 9:30 PM right now. And हम लोग cruise से वापस आए around 7:30. We took a nice nap. सब लोग थोड़ा सोए. And now everybody's recharged. Ready?
Yeah.
अभी क्या लगता है? Will the night disappoint us or will the night be good to us?
I think it is going to be good.
Chalo,
Because we
let's
took
go.
a 2-hour nap.
So we're going to McDonald's and then we're going to a burger shop.
Yeah, we will not have the McDonald's burger.
So we're just going there to see.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to the world's most beautiful McDonald's. मतलब सुंदर है, no doubt. It's pretty, but इतना भी ज़्यादा कुछ शोशेबा वो नहीं है. मतलब it's okay. लगा McDonald's जैसे बहुत ही सुंदर है टाइप. But मतलब majorly तो हुआ है ना. मतलब इतना भी कुछ oh my god crazy. जैसे बुदापेस्ट में we went to the world's most beautiful cafe, the New York cafe. That was actually very beautiful from the inside.
But it's a very different McDonald's. You've not been to McDonald's like this.
Guys लगा कुछ बहुत ही सुंदर epic टाइप.
ठीक है.
हुआ है ना?
वही चंडीगढ़ वाला बैठा.
हुआ है. So we're at this really famous burger place called Holly. We're waiting for 25 minutes, so we were waiting outside. Waiting for their burgers. So I just went inside their kitchen and the way they're making their burgers, oh my god. So done with dinner. The place was highly recommended, but however the burgers were very so-so. So now we're planning to head back to our Airbnb and catch some sleep because the first 2 days have been really long and really hectic. Tomorrow we have a whole day ahead of us. We have to take the wine tour, we have to take the city tour. So we're planning that out. End the vlog.
Okay, bye. Good night. See you. Sayonara. Oh, amigo. Bye-bye.
So this is where we end day 3.
Puta de Matra.
So this is where we end day 3. Jump on some sleep and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.